Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm very excited to share with you all about a secret AI tool which will help you to get detailed summary of millions of book guys. Yes guys, and you can read it in 5 minutes and you can understand those books. So this AI tool is one of my favorite. So if you are a book lover, so this video is for you guys because you will get millions of book access and you will get detailed summary of millions of books in just 1 minute, and that will be totally free of cost. So let's start the video. So this is the website guys, booksai.app. From here you will have to download it. So I have given the link in the description below. By clicking on that link you will come to this interface. So let me take you on my mobile phone. So firstly you will have to open your Google Play Store. Here you will have to search booksai, book summarizer. So this is the app guys, the second app. Click on that. So you will have to install this application in your mobile phone. I have already installed it. So let me open it. So this is the main interface of this AI application guys. So here are millions of free books summaries available guys. So this is amazing. You can type it any book and they will give you the detailed summary. You can understand in 2 minutes what this book is all about. The whole knowledge you can take it from that book in 2 minutes. Go down. See guys that they have given the list of popular person in the world. Even Steve Jobs, Orphan, Winfrey, Taylor Swift, Cassie Nesses. So there are millions of books. So let me search here. So I'll search it a book. My favorite book, The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari. See guys, I am searching it. The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari. Search it. See, it came The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari. You will have to click on that. Here you will have to, if you are looking for chapter wise summary, so you can click on that. If you are looking for detailed summary, so click on that. I always prefer this option, detailed summary. Here you will have to select the language. There are so many languages guys. You can get the book summary in so many languages. So click on generate. See the result guys. They have just given the detailed summary. It will take hardly 5 minutes to read out. And this is amazing guys. They have mentioned all the important points of this book. So this is amazing. If you are a book lover, so this is like heaven for you guys. So you can search it any books you like guys. So this is like amazing. So I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. If you want to support us, please subscribe the channel. Thank you guys. Have a good day. All the best.